What exactly is solar energy? Solar power is the conversion of light energy from the sun into thermal or electrical energy. Before we go ahead, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Historically, solar technology converts solar energy into electricity in two distinct ways. One of the methods involves photovoltaic panels or solar radiation concentrating mirrors. Solar energy can be used similarly to traditional electricity, but it is renewable, infinite, and potentially more cost-effective than other forms of electricity. It can be used to cook food, heat water, and perform any other function that electricity can. Solar cells are used to collect and store solar energy for later use. What exactly is Solar 3.0? Not only has the amount of electricity generated through solar and wind power increased substantially, but solar technology continues to advance. Two primary types of solar cells are used to generate solar energy. Through the collection of photons from the sun, solar cells make the use of solar energy possible. It causes an electrochemical reaction that results in the production of electricity. A crystalline silicon-based solar cell is the most common type of solar cell. This silicon-based solar cell constitutes nearly 95% of all sold and utilized modules today. Silicon has been the standard because, after oxygen, it is the second most abundant substance on Earth. These silicon-based cells consist of silicon atoms arranged in a crystal lattice. This structure improves the module's ability to convert light into electricity. Thin film cells are the other major type of solar cell. These thin film cells make use of perovskites, a material with the same crystal structure as the mineral calcium titanium oxide. Perovskites represent Solar 3.0, the next generation of solar energy. These perovskite-based thin film cells are composed of layers of photovoltaic materials embedded in a glass, metal, or plastic substrate. The flexibility and adaptability of these film solar cells distinguishes them from other types. Additionally, scientists have synthesized materials with the same or similar properties as perovskites. As semiconductors, they can use lead iodide or organic salts to create these solar cells. Possibility of synthesizing these properties from other substances could make it even more advantageous than silicon. Typically, solar cells have an efficiency of less than 30%. Silicon semiconductor solar cells typically have an efficiency between 20 and 25%. Utilizing perovskites can increase the efficiency and power output of electricity generation. Is solar paint the renewable energy's future? Solar cell development continues to advance. The University of Sheffield in the United Kingdom manufactured the first spray-on solar cells in 2014. In 2016, the solar industry in the United States invested over $150 billion in research and development. Solar paint could be one of the most beneficial innovations in the renewable energy industry. Solar paint hydrogen, quantum dot solar cells or photovoltaic paint, and perovskite solar paint are currently being developed for future use. These various adaptations of solar paint function differently from one another. Solar paint hydrogen absorbs moisture from the air and uses solar energy to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, which are then used to produce energy. Quantum dots function similarly to nanoscale semiconductors in that they absorb light and generate an electric current. Quantum dots may be 11% more efficient than conventional solar panels. Perovskite solar paint, also known as spray-on solar cells, is derived from the mineral calcium titanium oxide or, as stated previously, can be synthesized using organic salts. These solar cells can be manufactured in liquid form, making their application as paint even simpler. These solar paints can be advantageous for a variety of organizations seeking to implement or enhance a solar energy system. The data center industry continues to prioritize data center sustainability. The development of new technologies in renewable energy will be advantageous not only for the data center industry, but for all industries. By applying solar cells to roofs and walls, organizations can install additional energy sources. This innovation has the potential to alter how we view renewable energy, and its application could be widespread. If you liked today's video, then feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.